So وألنا له الحديد. Yeah. Okay, you have the key. You're gonna put this one first. Just be sure that this is like a master key, because when you put it, the light have to go off. I'm gonna come. Right? Yeah, security light must go off in 1 second. If it's not, then okay. Bismillah. Now we have to deal with. Give me here. What is the security key? Is supposed to be there. So put the first key. So put the first key. Hold on. You see now? That's one good. So this is a master key. So turn the key on. Let's go now.
Emo?
Yeah, Emo. Leave it running now. It doesn't matter. Accept. Hold on. Yeah. Because the ignition is on. Now read, okay?
You need it like this?
Yeah, keep it here.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, okay. Now go.
Oh, no, I gotta read it again.
Okay, go. Okay, now.
Yeah.
Okay. Emo start you?
This one?
Yeah.
You're gonna say 1, 2?
Go to add a key guide. Okay, turn the key off. On. Start learning. Now do it. Can you start? Hold on now. You must have master key. Say yes. This is master key.
Where's the other key?
That's good. Insert the key. Yeah, push the button. This key I have it in hand.
Oh, you have it?
No, it's good now. Just push. Okay. Now wait. Within a couple of seconds, it tell you to take it out. Verification performing. Now remove that key quick. And now stop. Don't turn it. Just click
Put it
off.
in, yeah.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
Okay. Wait till the light stop flashing. That light is gonna stop 60 minutes after 60 seconds, and then it will stop. Not yet. I can see it from here.
I can see it.
After 1 minute, it's supposed to go away.
If you just press OK, it's gonna disappear though.
No. It's supposed to disappear by itself. If you don't do it correctly, you have to redo it again. We did not count down the second, but it's okay. It doesn't take it right.
Undo it again.
Okay, do it again. Hold on. Okay.
You can try. It says succeeded though.
No, no good. It's still blinking.
The security
Turn the
light.
key on. Okay, I gotta do immo learning. Hold on. Immobilizer.
Key learning.
Key learning. Hold on now.